Hi, so you've either found us on YouTube or maybe you're on our website. What we want to talk about is an exterior evaluation. And so we want to welcome you to our shop because that's where we do these exterior evaluations, unless you're watching other videos that we've made on doing an exterior evaluation. So as a customer, as a courtesy, while your unit's at the shop, basically what we're doing is we're trying to look out for your best interests, right? Maybe you're coming in and you're wanting to do an accessory, but you need other work done instead. We're here to kind of help guide you and kind of give you some, pinpoints or direction like, hey, maybe you shouldn't do that solar panel set on your roof yet because your suspension's about ready to break. So we're looking out for you, the consumer.
Yeah, the idea of the free exterior eval is to, us being professionals, to see things that you may not see as a problem. So that way we can try to help you remedy or pinpoint where to spend the money on the unit. That happens quite a bit. People come in and want to do these accessories or upgrades.
Or preventive maintenance that they may not need.
Yeah. And the unit actually needs this instead of that. And